Exams are over. Siliguri is very hot. But guess what we have with us right here? It's the new Hey guys, what's up? I hope you guys are doing good and welcome back to my channel. What we have today with us is our new action camera. I've ordered this from Flipkart and let's unbox it. Okay then, let's start. This is the new Noise Play Vlog edition, and yeah, here we go. We got some accessories inside, like I know these are. Oh, this is the mic. This is the mic. The mic, and this is. We got a few. This is the casing, a few screws, nuts and bolts, and. This is very important, guys. If you get an action camera, then or a camera or a cell phone, carry this every time. Very, 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 very important. Don't lose it. These are some straps. The chin mount, and yeah, that's it. What's this? It's I think it's a sticker or something, maybe. So this is the mic. The best thing about the vlog edition is that it comes with a mic, so you don't have to spend extra money to buy a mic from like somewhere else. It saves you cost and time and energy. This is the new camera, and hey guys, I'm back in Darjeeling and I hope this mic is working. I'm sorry all my Siliguri footage got corrupted, so I couldn't show you where I went, and I did use the action camera there too, but all my videos got corrupted. I don't know, maybe this video is just for the mic test. I'm not going to do any reviews on it because I haven't used it. I just got this camera 2 days ago, and I paid quite about yeah, so the camera cost me about 6,000 rupees, and I just ran out of charge, so rupees, and I think it's worth the price. Still okay. So anyway, it cost me around 6,000 rupees, and it came with a mic, so I think it's worth the price. So I'll start my motor vlogging stuff very soon, and I hope you guys are enjoying my video. Please show me some love and support, and I hope you guys smash the like button if you like the video, and do subscribe to my channel. Do leave some comments down below. So I'll see you guys in the next video.